Bonjour les amis! Today we're going to travel to Paris! And I'll teach you everything you need to know before going there. But first, do you even know where Paris is on the map of France? Do you want to take a guess? Go ahead. Good job! Paris is in the north central part of France. Did you get it right or were you close? Amazing! Now I want to ask you something before leaving for a trip. Comment ça va? Which means, how are you? You can answer bien, which is good, comme ci comme ça, which is so-so, or mal, which is not good. So what do you think? Comment ça va? Amazing! Now tell me, how are they feeling here? Bien? Comme ci comme ça? Or mal? Good job! It's bien. Now, what about here? Comment ça va? Bien? Comme ci comme ça? Or mal? Good job! It's comme ci comme ça. And finally, what about here? Comment ça va? Bien? Comme ci comme ça? Or mal? Good job! It's mal! Amazing work! Now let's go to l'aéroport, which is the airport, and teach you everything that you will need for your trip. First, you're gonna need la valise, which is the suitcase. Second, you will need le passeport, which is your passport. And finally, you will need le billet d'avion, which is your plane ticket. Therefore, now you know that avion means plane. Amazing! So now repeat after me. Valise, passeport, billet d'avion. Perfect! Now I'm gonna ask you, qu'est-ce que c'est? Which means, what is this? Do you remember? Good job! It's la valise. Now, what about this one? Do you remember? Oui, it's le passeport. And now, what about this last one? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Bravo! It's le billet d'avion. Now, you're ready for your flight. Bienvenue à Paris. À l'aéroport de Paris, you will have 5 steps. 1. L'arrivée, arrival. 2. Le contrôle des passeports, passport control. 3. Les bagages, where you will get your valise. 4. La sortie, the exit. 5. Le taxi, to leave the airport. But the most important one for us is le contrôle des passeports, so we can get you ready. They might ask questions like, comment t'appelles-tu? Which means, what is your name? And you would answer, je m'appelle, and your name, for example, je m'appelle Filou. Or they could ask, où habites-tu? Which means, where do you live? And the answer to it would be, j'habite en or au, depending of the country. If you live like Filou in the US, it would be, j'habite aux États-Unis. But they could also ask questions like, quels sons entend-on souvent à Paris? Bonjour, yiha or rar? Good job! It's bonjour, which means hello. They could also ask, quel fleuve traverse Paris? La Seine, le Nil, le Mississippi ou l'Amazone? Good job! It's la Seine. Or they could ask, que dois-tu dire après qu'on prend ta photo près de la Tour Eiffel? Bonjour baguette? Merci? Oui, oui, oui. Bravo! It's merci, which means thank you. Quel moyen de transport les Parisiens utilisent-ils beaucoup? Le métro, les fusées ou les tracteurs? Good job! It's le métro, which means the subway. Que disent les Français avant de partir? Au revoir, abracadabra, or kouabunga? Bravo! It's au revoir, which means goodbye. Quel tableau célèbre est à Paris? La Joconde, Bluey ou Paw Patrol? Bravo! It's la Joconde de Mona Lisa. Quelle tour est la plus grande? La Statue de la Liberté, Big Ben ou la Tour Eiffel? Oui, c'est la Tour Eiffel. Comment appelle-t-on Paris? La ville de la moue, la ville lumière, la ville des pigeons ou la ville des croissants? Bravo! It's la ville lumière. Just kidding! They probably wouldn't ask that, but we never know. Anyway, how did you do on this test? Do you feel ready for Paris yet? Well, if you want to practice more, a special lesson is ready for you if you plan on going to Paris soon. Just join us on the Little French Speaker website for a free first trial lesson to see if you like it. À bientôt for another lesson!